Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off your storage notification dot on your Messenger app. We will go to turn off this mark or know how you can do that on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just go up here, you click here on app, and it's going to show for your window like this. And you just go up, you click here on this mark settings here. Then it's going to take you to next window, and you just go down. Then you click here on privacy and you come to privacy window. Then you just click here on storage controls and you come to next window here. You come here to new storage notifications dot. You click here on this color or this mark, and like you see color, it's gone. That's mean your storage notification dot it's turned off now. Thank you for your watching. So I wish you know you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So see you next video.